Dolores Cannon reveals something that most people never notice. Some people are born with hidden symbols on their hands. And if you have the M mark on your hand, it means that your power was never ordinary. But there's a secret code behind the M mark. And in this video, I'm going to reveal that secret code to you. So let's get into it. You see, a lot of people think that these palm marks are just random lines on your hands. But that's not true. Everything on your body represents something. And the M on your hand represents something extraordinary. When the M mark forms on your hand, it's formed by 4 lines. So you have one line represent the head line. You have another line represent the faith line. Another line represent the heart line. And the last line represents your lifeline. And when they're aligned in a specific way, they reveal certain traits about that person. So here are the traits that people with the M mark often share. Strong intuition, truth seeker by nature, leadership energy, and resistance to manipulation. People with the M mark, they don't just live in the world, they see through it. Now, what's the secret code behind the M mark? So now you know the M mark is just not a random symbol. It's a pattern. And Dolores Cannon said patterns represent soul contracts. The M mark appears in most people who break generational cycles, wake up early in life, feel out of place in society, sense lies instantly, and feel destined to do something bigger. That's the code. You weren't born to follow systems. You were born to decode them. Dolores Cannon predicted that during major consciousness shifts, certain souls would activate faster than others. And 2026 is one of the shifts. So that's why many people with the M mark feel emotional detachment, strong intuition spikes, loss of interest in fake relationships, and sudden clarity in life. Your nervous system is calibrating to a higher frequency, and that higher frequency is the 5th dimension. And speaking of higher frequency, if your body is not on that higher frequency, you won't stay on that higher frequency. So that's why I take Vibe High supplements. These supplements help your body to stay on a high vibration, helps your mental to stay clear, and boost your immune system. And the one I specifically take has sea moss in it. Now, if you want to check out these supplements, just go down to my description. You're going to see a link that says vibehighsupplements.com. Click that link, it'll take you right to the website. I also have a store with ebooks, and it's an ebook you need to check out. It's called The Survival Guide for Marked Souls in 2026. Check out this book, guys. No pressure. I'm just giving you some information to help you out in 2026. So go check that out. Now, guys, there's a hidden challenge for the M mark. You see, people with the M mark, they struggle with loneliness, overthinking. They feel misunderstood. They have trouble being around low vibrational people, and they carry too much responsibility. Dolores Cannon says these souls are always isolated because they're operating on a different level of awareness. You see, your gift is your burden. Now, how do you activate this secret code? Well, it's kind of simple. It's truth, boundaries, and intuition. Let me explain. Speaking the truth when it's uncomfortable. Walking away from people that drain you. Trusting your inner voice. And spending time alone without guilt. When you do this, the M mark stops being a symbol and it becomes a function. Dolores Cannon believed that certain souls incarnated here during the time of transition. And 2026 is the time of transition. So that's why this symbol is going to activate more than ever at this time. And your job is to stabilize this planet while the frequency is ascending to a higher vibration. You see, you're not here to blend in. You're here to remember what you came here to do. So if this video resonated with you, let me know down in the comments. Just type the word M if you have that M mark on the palm of your hand. And guys, if you want to talk more about the symbol on your hand and Dolores Cannon teachings, follow me on Twitch. Just go to twitch.tv/wokereg. YouTube says check out this video next to learn more about the M mark and other marks on your palm. Peace, get woke, and keep rising.